The Berries are a beautiful group of 30 islands and about 100 cays that stretch over 30 miles. Great Harbour Cay hosts the major population of the Northern Berries. The Marina is in the Bay of Five Pirates and provides excellent protection from all weather and has a wonderful, helpful staff. On this trip, we visited some of our favorite locations. The clubhouse and PGA golf course lies in ruin, but remnants of its glitzy past remain. $38 million was invested in the 1960s, and movie stars, celebrities, and golf greats all flocked to the island. The local homeowners association still mows 9 of the golf course fairways, so bring your clubs and create a hole if you'd like. Take a bike from the Marina if you're a guest, and bike past beautiful homes and beaches to arrive at Sugar Cay Beach and its sheltered caves. Approaching Cistern Cay, you'll be greeted by the sunken wreck of a drug-running plane. No one knows why it crashed or what happened to the pilot. Regardless, Fish and Carl now call this wreck home. Finally, no trip to Great Harbour is complete without a visit to Shark River and walking to Haines Bluff at low tide. It's a bit less than a quarter mile to walk across the sandbar in ankle to hip deep water. On Haines, you'll be rewarded with beautiful views. The Berry Islands are a great first stop for boaters arriving from Miami or Fort Lauderdale, and one many cruisers put on their annual itinerary.